We bought an old Toyota Sunraider to turn into a coffee truck called Loose Wheel. Over 40 years of grime on this thing has required a whole lot of sanding, so that is what we did all summer long to get Loose Wheel prepped for a coat of paint. If you're wondering where I am during all of this, I was most likely not sanding. As you can see, Lex's technique is really great. This is due to all of the sanding. The crazy thing is this isn't even close to all of the sanding that took place. And to top it all off, we didn't get a single grain of sand from the entire process. Not really sure what we did wrong, so let me know in the comments if you have any ideas about what we can do better. Okay, bye!